Well, good morning. I got up early, tore down camp, started heading out, hoping I could get a good sunrise. And then the clouds moved in. So I don't think I'm gonna go the extra half mile and up 600 feet. I'm just going to continue my hike. I might get to a good viewpoint on the way down. There's a couple of them along the way. But this fog, I can barely see. So, the best laid plans of mice and men. No sunrise for me today. So I'm using my red light to save my night vision. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything or not. If not, well, then I just won't use this video. If you can, then it's pretty cool. Gotta move a little slower because the distance is shorter, but got a clear spot, you can see the moon. Gotta go slow. You gotta make some noise. Don't want to scare any critters. Hey, bear. I want no bear. Square Ledge Trail, Passaconaway Cutoff. Okay, so if I was going to Passaconaway again, I could go up that trail. But I'm not. I'm sticking to the Walden Trail. Nope, that does not go back up to the mountain. I would have to backtrack. That would take me in the completely wrong direction. That would have been a bad turn. Oh well. So I'm now on the Wanalancet Range Trail. It takes me back to the Ferncroft parking area. Got two peaks that I can go and summit on this one, but they're not 4,000 footers. They're not 52 with a view, although they do say they have views. So, unfortunately, I'll be able to see now that I can't, I'm not going to get any good sunrise photos. It's just too much fog. It's neat hiking, but I do love me some pretty sunrises. So this is the overview where I had hoped I might catch a sunrise, which was about 10 minutes ago, not that you could tell. But it is a good place to stop and cook breakfast. So breakfast this morning is eggy grits with cheese and jalapeno sausage. It was supposed to be bacon, but again, we were out of bacon, which made me sad. cheesy grits with jalapeno sausage and pepper jack cheese. And of course, my coffee, which I added some hot cocoa and then some Carnation instant breakfast. So between these two, plenty of calories for a good day of hiking. Though it gets cold quickly in that cup. It's good, but it's still pretty hot. May not have been the sunrise that I wanted, but I got a view with my breakfast. It's beautiful. Hear the birds waking up. One last look at that view. Clouds are all coming back in, but it was a beautiful view while I had my breakfast. Thank you, Lord. Well, back on the trail. Okay, so I just passed the Mount Wanalosset, something like that, summit trail. I took the shortcut rather than taking the trail over top of Mount Wanalosset. I thought about it, but I looked at the map and it's awfully steep coming down and my knees are hurting a little bit. So I took the easy way, if you can call this the easy way. But it was certainly easier than the trail that I skipped. Well, I got about 1/10 of a mile to go and it's flat like this, so I'm gonna say this hike is pretty much done. I want to thank you all for coming along. I hope you have enjoyed going on this hike with me, and if you did, please hit the like button. And if you're so inclined, subscribe and hit the bell too so that you get all the notifications. Thank you and have a blessed day. Azimuth out.